This is Joshna from 4th year CSC in Adishankara Institute of Technology. Today I am here to discuss about the cloud computing. We can see objectives of cloud computing, introduction of cloud computing at a glance. In this chapter, we make you were under the concept of the following concepts. What is cloud computing? What are the characteristics and benefits of cloud computing? Its challenges, historical development of technologies toward the growth of cloud computing, types of cloud computing models, different types of services in cloud computing, application development and infrastructure of system development technologies. About the cloud computing, overview of different sets of cloud service providers, introduction. Historically, computing power was a scarce, costly tool. Today, with the emergence of cloud computing, it is plentiful and inexpensive, causing a profound paradigm shift. A transition from scarcity computing to abundance computing. This computing revolution accelerates the commoditization of products, services, and business models and disrupts current information and communications technology industry. It supplied the services in the same way to water, electricity, gas, telephony, and other appliances. Cloud computing offers on demand computing storage, software, and other IT services with usage based metered payment. Cloud computing helps reinvent and transform technological partnerships to improve marketing, simplify and increasing security and increasing stakeholder interest and consumer experience while reducing costs with cloud computing. You don't have to over provision resources to manage potential peak levels of business operations. Then you have the resources you really require. You can scale these resources to expand and string capability instantly as the business needs evolve. This chapter offers a brief summary of the trend of cloud computing by describing its vision, addressing its key features, and analyzing technical advantages that made it possible. The chapter also introduces some key cloud computing technologies and some insights into cloud computing environments. Cloud computing at a glance. The notion of computing in the cloud goes back to the beginning of utility computing, a term suggested publicly in 1961 by computer scientist John M.C. Carthy. If computers of the kind I have advocated become the computers of the future, then computing may someday be organized as a public utility just as the telephone system is a public utility. The computer utility would become the basis of a new and important industry. The chief scientist of the Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, Leonard Rock, said in 1969, as of now, computer networks are still in their infancy, but as they grow up and become sophisticated, we will probably see the spread of computer utilities, which, like present electric and telephone utilities, while services individual homes and offices across the country. The vision of the computing utility takes from with the cloud computing industry in the 21st century. The delivery of computing services is easily available on demand, just like other utility services such as water, electricity, telephone, and gas in today's society are available. Likewise, users only have to pay service providers if they have access to computing resources instead of maintaining their own computing system or data centers. Advantage of using cloud computing services is that organization can avoid the upfront cost and difficulty of running and managing their own IT infrastructure and pay for when they use it. Cloud providers and can benefit from large economies of scale by offering the same services to a wide variety of customers. In the case, consumers can access the services according to their requirement with the knowing where all their services are hosted. Here the figure shows converge of various advantages leading to the advent of cloud computing. Cloud computing, hardware visualization, multi-core chips, hardware, SOA, Web 2.0, web services mashups, internet technologies, distributed computing, utility and grid computing, autonomic computing, data center automation. Convergence of various advantages leading to the advent of cloud computing. The vision of cloud computing. The virtual provision of cloud computing is hardware, runtime environment, and resources for a user by paying money. As of these items can be used as long as the user no upfront commitment requirement. The whole computer device collection is turned into a utility set that can be supplied and composed in hours rather than days together to deploy devices without costs for maintenance. A cloud computer's long term vision is that IT services are traded without technology and as utilities on an open market as barriers to the rules. We can hope in the near future that it can be identified the solution that clearly satisfies our needs, entering our applications on a global digital market services for cloud computing. These market make it possible to automate the process of discovery and integration with its existing software systems. A digital cloud trading platform is available services with also enable services providers to boost their revenue. A cloud service may also be a competitor's customer services to meet its consumer commitments. Company and personal data is accessible in structured formats everywhere, which helps us to access and communicate easily on an even larger level. Cloud computing security and stability will continue to improve, making it even safer with a wide variety of techniques. Instead of concentrating on what services and applications by they allow, we do not consider cloud to be that most relevant technology. The combination of the wearable and the bringing you your own device with cloud technology with the internet of things would become a common necessity in person and working life, such that cloud computing technology is overlooked as an enabler. That's all. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to me.